In this video, I will be showing you guys, I won't be showing you guys, I will be telling you guys 5 ways to make money online through online courses. I'm using Claude to teach you guys, and the entire write-up is here, and so come along with me. Don't worry, I didn't get anyone in the footage. You don't need a million followers to make money from a course. You need a system. Today, I'm breaking down 5 real ways to turn your knowledge into income online, including the exact model we use at Misfit Academy. When you are using AI, you can allow AI to give you the exact result you want, including your own knowledge. This is something called prompt engineering. And so, if you want to learn how to properly use AI, you need to learn prompt engineering. Also, AI can help facilitate whatever it is that you are trying to teach. Introduction. My script here says, "What's good, Misfits of Israel? We've built an online learning platform with thousands of students, and in this video, I'm pulling back the curtain on the actual revenue models behind online courses. Let's get into it." Method 1: self-hosted course. This is the big one. You build your own platform like macademy.tech and sell direct access to your courses. Pros: you keep most of the revenue, you own your student data, and you control the brand experience. The catch: you need traffic. This model works once you've built an audience, because you're not relying on a marketplace to bring you students. You have to bring yourself, meaning that in this method, one, you create a platform where you host courses, then you sell to your audience, which is the business model most people use on social media, where they create a community and they sell to their community members. And that is pretty much it. You create a course, you sell to your members. But on Misfit Academy, we have created a marketplace with several courses. Then we sell to our community members. You can use this method for your own online course selling business. Then, method 2: marketplace courses. An example is Udemy or Skillshare. In this method, you upload once and you earn passively as the market marketplace exist now. The pros is built-in traffic, zero marketing needed to get your first sales. The catch, the revenue share is small and you have no control over pricing or branding. Now, the difference is for Misfit Academy, we do both method 1 and method 2, because in method 2, in as much as I myself have my own courses on Misfit Academy, which is by me. Example is the AI web course, although my developer created it for me, I have the full ownership of it. In method 2, you create a marketplace, then tutors host their courses on your platform, then you get a percentage and the tutor gets a percentage. And Misfit Academy also does that. And an example that also does that is Udemy. And so on Misfit Academy, which is owned by me personally, I do method 1. I do method 1 and method 2, meaning I have my courses on my website that I sell, that I make money on. Then I also have courses by tutors on my website that I own a percentage of. Then method 3, we have the cohorts based live courses. Instead of pre-recorded content, you run a live cohort, a group of students going through material together over weeks with sessions, feedback, and community. This commands premium pricing because people pay for access, accountability, and interaction, not just information. If your course content already exists for free on YouTube, the live experience is what justifies the price. Guess who also uses method 3? Drum roll. Me. And we do this on Misfit Academy because, like I just read to you guys, that the cohort based live courses allows for the tutor to guide the students through live sessions. And so on Misfit Academy, we create the courses and we put them on the website. For method 1, I have my own course. For method 2, I have the courses of various tutors. And for method 3, we run live sessions. And so when you pay, you do not only get access to your course on the website. And by your course, I mean the course that you paid for. You get access to the course you paid for on our website, but you also get live sessions where we teach you what is in the courses so as to give you the full learning experience that would transform your learning and also, well, eventually your earning, because we don't want you to just learn. We also want you to use this knowledge to actually make money. We can't control your earnings, but we can help you create a system that can help you And method 4, course plus community membership. This is where a course becomes recurring revenue instead of a one-time sale. You wrap your course inside a membership, monthly access to new content, a private community, live questions and answers. This is so powerful because the value compounds. Students say students stay subscribed not just for the original course but for ongoing support and updates. It also builds the kind of engaged audience that fuels everything else: referrals, testimonials, future product launches. On Misfit Academy, we give you a community membership, but we don't charge you for it. And we also update our courses and we get them to be better to the best of our advantages or to the best of our opportunities, although we are improving that. But we give you access to a mentorship program and to where you can get access to question and answers. And we haven't updated any course before, like add new information. What I usually do is just buy a new course because I realized that the Facebook course we had on the website, we removed it because it was outdated. And so we just removed it and we are trying to procure a new one. So we just give it to you. But we don't update courses. We haven't started doing that. Would we ever do that? I honestly don't know. But subscribe to find out. I will keep everything open to you guys. Although we give you access to our software that provides reseller hosting and domain. We are currently offline, but we will get offline very soon. We are offline because the software is down and I haven't renewed my subscription. Then method 5, licensing and B2B corporate training. No, and the software will come online very soon. Well, I'm just trying to get some things together before jumping right back into it. Method 5, licensing and B2B or corporate training. This is the most slept on method. Once you have a polished course, you can license it to schools, companies, or other platforms for their internal training. When I was in Nigeria last year and I was running the AI training, this idea actually came to me, and so much so that I went to one school, was JNC, and the proprietress told me that she was willing to pay me money to come to our school to teach students the exact training I was offering them for free, but to also include some computer training. But I said no because that wasn't my purpose in Nigeria. And I will be going back to Nigeria next month. I wish I did not say no, to be honest, because I could have started something because I actually do want to start something in my own country. I mean, guys, I am literally moving back to Nigeria next month. Instead of selling to thousands of individuals at $20 each, you sell to one organization for thousands of dollars because they are paying to train the entire team or student body. This is a B2B sale. And guess what? When I go to Nigeria next month, I will start working on this and I will keep you guys updated. That's why going back to Nigeria is not that scary for me because ideas come to me when I'm in Nigeria. Good, clean, fresh ideas. This is a B2B sale. Different pitch, different price points, but far less competition. As a matter of fact, I'm doing this probably the second week because the first week I want to spend it at church to just pray, just pray, like just. Then the second week we get to work. No time. Here is the truth. Most creators pick one of these and stop. The real money isn't stacking them. Start a marketplace to validate, build your own platform. Once you have proof, add a community for retention and use that credibility to land licensing deals. That is literally the roadmap we are executing with Misfits Academy. If you are trying to create a marketplace, this is the exact structure I use for my company. Literally, guys. And so you are allowed to use it. And if you have any questions, feel free to send me an email or use the comment section. My email is in my bio. Whatever you're doing, try to do it well and keep reinventing, keep growing, and trust me, the sky is the limit. I believe in you. Like and subscribe. Oh, and get an online skill. If you need an online skill, visit www.m academy.tech, and you can get started. Peace.